Manager Wyn Thomas. Wyn, you must be delighted with 3 wins in the spin.
Yes, since the split it's been positive. To be fair, the lads have given an extra 30-40% since the split, and we've started well. It was important to start off with a win, and we did that against Portalba, even though we were lucky and it was a bit scrappy. But we went to Rill, we got the goal, we could have scored a couple more, and today we started off really well. But the second half we were sloppy, we started slow, and they scored. But then we reacted to that, and we build on from today's result.
As you said there, we had a perfect start today with Venables scoring after just 3 minutes. How positive an impact was that for you for the game?
Yes, yeah. But listen, Jeff Kellaway was on fire from the off, and that's what we need from him. It was a great ball across the Venas, who's there all the time for us, to be fair to him, and he has been for the last 2-3 seasons, to be fair. But yeah, it was good start. Johnny Ev's great second goal, where he went up for the header. I'm not sure if he won it, but he reacted quicker than anyone else, and he finished the ball very well. But I wasn't too happy with the way we started second half. It was sloppy, but then we reacted, and we got another goal which got us further in front, which was a positive for us, and we saw it through to the end.
How pleasing was it to see Johnny Evans, local signing, and local lads just signed recently coming in and we're scoring 2 very, very important goals?
Yeah, it's important for Aberystwyth. They've got the talent up there. They got a fantastic youth academy up there, which brings players through. A lot of local lads playing for Aberystwyth now, living in the area, which is good. But yeah, it's all positives with the training. Boys turn up. They work hard off the pitch, on the pitch, and it shows in their performance, in their results. And if you work hard and you're willing to put that effort in, you'll get the right desserts.
We've gone above Bangor today. Obviously, we've had their game postponed to going to 7th place. How much of a momentum boost is that?
Yeah, it's important, but I've said before, it's game by game. That's what we need to take it by. So we won today. We look at Carmarthen next week, live game at home. So we build on it, we work on things, and hopefully we get another result, something positive for us, and going forward.
And speaking of that Carmarthen game, how important is it to get 3 points and continue this momentum from there?
Yeah, massive. Every game is massive. 6 points every single game now. What I tell the players week in, week out, we just concentrate game by game. So we'll work on Tuesday on Carmarthen, and we look to see what we can do. Obviously, we've got people and players in areas that we can hurt teams, but then we need to defend properly, work hard for each other, and hopefully get the result that we want.
Wyn, many thank you for your time and congratulations for your results.